YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today's a beautiful day. I don't know if y'all can really hear me because it's windy. Anyways, I don't know where we're going right now. I don't know where we're going right now. I know we are going to Times Square, well, Manhattan. Us, if y'all not from here, it's called Times Square. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all there. I'm walking this time. I'm finally taking the train. Alright YouTube, so we finally got on the train and it's not crowded at all. It's gonna take us an hour or so to get where we're going, so stay tuned. Alright YouTube, we're in Manhattan, Times Square. It's cool or whatever. I might zoom all the way out on it. Alright YouTube, we're outside. I understand it's Times Square, bro, but like, you don't always gotta be packed. Mad people over here.
No one can do it like you. You're so hot like summer.
Alright YouTube, so finally over. Alright YouTube, it's getting ready to start, so now we gotta go. Oh, I did not even tell y'all what we're gonna see. We're gonna see a light show at wherever the hell this is, but I can see your ass.
I hate the fact I always get stuck in my thoughts. I love you, baby, but look at all the pain and brought. You love me, baby, but only cause of the things I bought. I never gave you any. I never been, I'd rather just take all these drugs. How you violate and then you go play victim? Trying to stay out my feelings on.
YouTube, this is how it is. At nighttime.
Bitch, I am no longer stressing. Since I left, I've been counting my blessings. Skinny nigga, but I'm steady flexing. Always what I want, never what I'm told to be. My soulmate, that's exactly what you supposed to be. That's the last time that I let someone get close to me. All my exes stuck, they can never get over me.
So if y'all not from New York, this is what it look like. Fire, huh? Alright, YouTube. It's actually nice out here. the views though.
Keep on playing games and I ain't finna play along. You gave me way too many reasons and now I'm gone. I'm finna tuck away the pain and put in a song. I'm finna tuck away the pain and put in a song.
Keep the tree though.
I love you, baby, but look at all the pain, bro. You love me, baby, but only cause of the things I bought. I never gave you any reason to do me wrong. You keep on playing games and I ain't.
I just remembered, I didn't tell y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, but keep the views. She gonna see my YouTube, I know I do that. Cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. It's really, really cold.
I really like your stuff. Like,
Alright YouTube, so about to get pizza right now and crowded as per usual. It's cold, no homo, 2 bros. Alright YouTube, so we just done eating pizza and it's dark and you can't even see me. But anyways, we're going to a bakery right now. Stay tuned. I'm not a fan of sweets, but let's make the best of the night. Alright YouTube, so right now we're going to Times Square, the original place that I said we were gonna go. Honestly bro, I'm fucking cold. Yeah, we're going to Starbucks somewhere. We're going to Starbucks now. Alright YouTube, so just got my stuff. I'm gonna try it in a minute. It's right here. We're gonna try it together. It's not bad. It's called that's what it's called. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, YouTube, we are in the train station. So, see how this goes. Alright YouTube, this is the end of the vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and keep subscribing. We'll see y'all in the next vlog. Peace out.
I am not your typical atypical. You gotta watch your energy, cause we were reciprocals. Diamonds so clear, sure they thought they was invisible. Bulletproof the vibe, butterflies when the money come to mind.